Wow. I don't know what I'm doing. Intelligence. I have some somewhere. Oh, the lips are burning. Whew. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing a look inspired by Kylie Jenner. I know it's not amazing, it's not perfect, I look nothing like Kylie Jenner to begin with, so it was a stretch that it was even going to look similar at the end anyway. This is the picture I went off of when she had her green hair. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Okay, I don't usually start these in the wig, but I put it on and forgot. I also look ridiculous right now. I'm going to start by priming the face using the e.l.f. what's it called? Poreless Pudgy Primer. I'm going to start by applying it like here, where my pores are. I don't actually know why I'm doing this, considering I will never look anything like Kylie Jenner. On the chin. Now we're going to conceal any redness because Kylie's skin is definitely not red. And to do this, I'm going to use the Revolution Conceal and Correct Colour Correcting Concealer. I'm going to work in sort of areas, so I'm going to apply a bit, blend it out. So I've noticed the last few times that I've done it and not, it started to dry quite quickly, and that has ruined the fact that it's not blended out. I'm not correcting under my eyes because I ran out of that concealer. My sister's probably going to shout at me for using her concealer, but she threw mine away because it ran out. I've scratched myself in my sleep. That was not there yesterday. I'm applying a lot of green. This concealer reminds me that one of the girls who follows me on TikTok, called Ali, she's super sweet and super nice, and she makes me laugh. I did a tutorial not long ago and I started off with this concealer, and she said she thought I was doing Shrek, and now every time I use this concealer I think about doing Shrek. Wow, we look. So thank you for watching my video. This is how you look beautiful. Match the polka dots on my drink. Yes, I am drinking strawberry milkshake like a child. Deal with it. So now we're going to do the reverse, I don't know what it's called. Well, I'm going to apply the cream contour and the cream highlight and then foundation. Just because I find it sits better on my skin and makes me look more matte and more coverage. I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the colour Marshmallow. I will buy you another one, Abigail, I promise. This is going like under the eye area, on the chin, on the forehead. I will say as well, because I've been meaning to say it for a while in my videos, the makeup I do on these doesn't necessarily look great in person because it is like camera makeup, purposely done so it looks good on camera and on my TikToks and everything. So you might need to go less if you're planning on wearing this in real life, because otherwise you might end up looking a little cakey. I'm now going to use the Huda Beauty Tantor. This is the shade Medium. So I wouldn't use this shade if I was doing it over my foundation, just because it can look a little harsh. It's really dark for me. It does come quite low down on her cheeks, so that's what I'm doing. We're going to try to do a little bit of jawline. Let me look at the picture of her and compare that. So I'm just going to hope that looks okay. Again, this isn't like a complete transformation unless it actually turns out okay. Then it is. But we're just going to see how this goes because I'm not an expert at this. I don't know what I'm doing. Next, I'm going to use this. I probably shouldn't be using this because this is a very full coverage foundation. Like a medium coverage foundation. And I've done all this underneath. Intelligence. I have some somewhere. So this is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 150. Her skin was very matte in this picture, which doesn't agree with my skin, but it'll be fine. It's just a makeup tutorial. I'm gonna squeeze this onto my face for once. This is a bad idea. Okay, and I'm gonna, oh, that's a giant blob on my face. Blend that in. Can't put it on my face, I'm gonna have to put it on the back of my hand. Foundation in. This big blender is literally not. I'm gonna apply a little bit more concealer under the eyes, but I'm gonna show you where, like, right here and a dot here. On the nose. I've been loving a brush to blend this kind of thing out, because I feel like it just really brightens the area and disperses the product evenly. And I'm going to set most of that in place using the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I'm going to bake under the eyes. What's this? While that's setting under my eyes, I'm going to move on to brows. I'm going to use two different products. I'm going to use the Max Factor Brow Shaper in the shade Deep Brown and the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit in number 4. I'm going to use number 4 at the front because her brows are more ombre, and then the darker one on the tail. Her brows are quite arched, so I'm going to do my best to try and mimic that. But we'll see how it goes. I'm leaving the very front part blank because I've got some brow gel, so I'll, like, that'll, yeah. I'm going to push to this side because it seems a little bit harsh at the front. Milkshake break. That was an awful sound. Okay, so I'm going to take the brow gel in the shade 4. This is the Benefit Gimme Brown. There's more gel at the ends, so it'll be darker, and then I can, like, feather it out at the front. List off the powder. I like just buff whatever's left on the brush around the face. I'm going to use the Physicians Formula one like I always use and hope my brush doesn't... Oh, it's already broken. My favourite bronzer brush and it's broken, so we're just going to hope that it doesn't completely destroy the look of this video. I'm going quite heavy with it. She has it quite far down here. She doesn't seem to have blush on, so I think she just went ham with the bronzer. Unless there's any really big Kylie fans and knows she has blush, I'm sorry. Okay, we're getting rid of the little stick bit. So to sharpen up this part, I'm gonna put some more powder. Wasn't even looking at the camera. Before we go anywhere else, I'm going to use the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Instant Long Term Lip Plumper. And I'm going to apply this now so that hopefully my lips are fairly plump by the time we come to put lipstick on. This stuff is very tingly. Oh, I'm looking for it and it's on my knee. I'm going to use the Roxy Ride or Die palette. In this look, it looks like she literally just has like a subtle natural brown through her crease. And a little bit on the, like it was on the lid and it's blended through the crease kind of thing. So I'm going to take the Roxy Ride or Die palette and I'm going to take the shade Cola, which is this shade here. And just slowly build it up in the crease. I don't have the same eye shape as hers, but we're going to go with it. I'm going to take a little fluffy brush. Oh, the lips are burning. Whew. I don't know if I'm going to get through the rest of this video. Look at my lips. Is it just me going crazy or do they look bigger? Like a pastel. A little bit on the outer edge. Here. Just like a bit closer. There we go. So it does look like she has a lighter shade on the inner corner. So I'm going to take the shade Iconic and Boo sort of mixed together like really lightly on my pinky and just tap it in, like blend it up a bit. Then I'm going to take the shade Boo just all over the part that's not brown and blend again just so there's no harsh edges. I'm going to take Cola again on it under the eye, that's what the words I'm looking for. Oh my gosh, this powder, which has now done its job. In the picture, her lashes. Oh, 1 second. What am I doing?
The usual.
I'm Kylie Jenner.
I'm literally sitting in my lunch bag.
Okay. So I think in all honesty, looking at the picture of her eyelashes, I can't actually tell if her natural lashes are really just that full or if she's wearing falsies. Doesn't look like she's wearing falsies. Oh my gosh, she has eyeliner on. Minnie! I'm filming! Okay, so we're going to add eyeliner because she seems to have a wing in this. So I'm going to like... That was the You're So Too Faced sketch marker, which is nearly running out. And I'm going to use the Federico Makeup Long Lasting Automatic Eye Pencil in the shade Black, just to, she doesn't she doesn't line her waterline, but she lines like the inner corner and like just below her waterline. Mascara! I'm going to try build my lashes up as much as I can using the False Lash Extreme Fibre Resist Mascara by L'Oreal. It doesn't look like she's wearing falsies in the picture. Okay, I mean, I feel maybe the wing should be a little longer. I'm going to apply some more lip plumper. I'm going to do the other eye and I'll be right back. So I'm going to use the Alpha Highlighter in Pillow Talk, just because I think it's the only highlighter this tone I have. So I'm going to apply this liquid lip kit. This is the W7 Skinny Lipping Matte Nude Lip Colour, and I don't have the shade. I want to say it's the shade Harmony. I feel like the lip colour needed to be lighter, but this is the only one I have in this like. I might take some of the shade Boo and just like pat it on top like this. So my lips look so cakey right now. Let's take this out. I still look nothing like Kylie Jenner, but it's fine. It's just an inspired makeup look, like all of mine are. This is my Kylie Jenner inspired makeup look because I look nothing like Kylie. When you do makeup, your hand becomes your canvas. Your palette and your face becomes your canvas. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give a big thumbs up and comment down below any celebrities you'd like me to do makeup tutorials for next. I've done Ariana Grande, I've done a Dove Cameron character one, I've done a few characters, but yeah, just let me know and I will try my best to do it for you. Yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I got that wrong. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.